Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start with the name of Allah. Uh, Myself, Iram Ashraf, student of MSC's fourth semester, and here I am making heuristic evaluation of a website, and I have chosen a website that is University of Baltistan, Skardu. Okay, now let's start with it. First here I will discuss good and bad points of the university website. First of all, if you look at this picture, it has taken from the top view, means that it hasn't taken from the front view or from the front side of a building or from a front logo. In that looks more like a tourism picture. What we include in a bad font. Now here, the second one is that they have shared the Facebook page, but the link but the link does not work. Third point is that there's no complete information of the scholarships like merit-based and kingship-based. They have just shared with us the SAS scholarship policies or whatever. That's still incomplete. There are needy people. I mean, some people they cannot afford this SAS scholarship, whatever. Now here there's no online admission registration information. There's no like link, or there is no like for online registration of people those who are living far away. Okay, is they have the the funny thing is here that they have clearly mentioned on the website that there is no transport and hostel facilities. I mean, those who are living far away, how can they avail this opportunity? Good points. Here, good. Let's discuss the good points. Definitely, here they have shared their electronic library, and they have shared they have shared their books over there. That's, I think, a good point. Secondly, they have clearly mentioned their fee structure. That's even a good point. Third is that even they have shared the facility for the students for the foreign studies. That's good point as well. And examination policy has been clearly stated for a student on the website. And there's also a good thing that they have shared all contact numbers of the faculty members. Now let's come to the evaluation of website. First, navigation. Here they have asked us some questions. That is information arranged for clearly and logically easy understanding? No. Basically, a lot of information which may not be required by the user, but lack of initial and basic information is missing about admissions and scholarship. Mean there is no online admission registration for students. And here they have asked another question: do external links to the other website? Not all, like Facebook page does not work. Does it contain information easily downloaded? They haven't shared a lot of information on the website, but whatever they have shared, I mean, it's easy to be downloaded. Is navigation within the website is clear and easy? No, a lot of information is missing for the users. If there are links to the other pages, they are reliable sources? No. The links to the other pages are not reliable. Like it's clearly shown in the picture that it does not work. Does the site contain broken link? Yes, it contains broken link. Objective. Let's come to the objective. Is the purpose clearly stated for the intent audience? uh, no, basically a lot of information which may not be required by the user or audience, but lack of initial and basic information is missing. As I told you earlier, that the basic information is still missing on the website. Now, what goals, objective does this page meet? Goal and objective is to provide quality of education, scholarship, and um, providing online information which is not clear, like admission procedure and scholarship. How detailed is the information? Yes, it needs basic information of the students like fee structure, but still a lot of information is missing. Coverage. Depth and the scope of the information appropriate. Although it provides information regarding academic, it may meet basic information but does not provide information in detail. Like for example, if someone wants for online registrations, it's missing. For example, like merit based, kingship based, and all these bases are missing. Do the graphic design enhance the information? Graphic designs of the picture more look like tourism website rather than university website. As I told you, is the information on the site relevant to the user's needs? Yes, it needs basic information of the students like programs and the fee structure, but not in detail. Like writing style, is the language used appropriate for the intent audience site? Free of typos and other errors means the website is free of error. Yeah, yes, website is free from the typing and grammatical mistakes. It's clearly shown in the picture. Now, is the date of the last updated of website is mentioned? They haven't mentioned date of last updating, although they have mentioned date of last update or the copyright. Here we have 10 heuristic points. They have asked us some questions. That is the severity rating, visibility of the system status. Okay, they have asked me whether the password works or it does not. No, they haven't provided that information on the website to fill the online administration form. So it does not need password validation. In confirmation messages, there is no online registration. So how can we receive confirmation messages? Recommendation: there should be an option of online registration of admission form filling so people can avail it by sitting at home. Match between system and the real world. Not all icons are there and working. For example, like email ID, no pagination, no option of save icon, and there is no registration form and no option of switching languages. User control and freedom. Yeah, there is no option of undo, quit, advanced filter, and bin box. There should be like option like Gmail for bin box deleted items, as well as undo option and advanced filter. Consistency and standards. There is no consistency in the color theme, as there is one font color, one font color on one page and another font color on another page. As I have shown you in the picture, along different difficult terminologies for the user to read. Here I have mentioned, you can see clearly in the picture, they have used one color here and other different type of colors on the other pages, and even the languages they have like this one, position vacant, university, engineer. So it's still unclear that what they are trying to say. Error prevention. There's no option of correcting an error or mistake certification like in Gmail, like in grammar. So this should be option of error prevention. Okay, recognition rather than call. There is an issue in recognition. As you click on this page, it does not open, and there are some frequent user of Facebook and they want to get more information relevant to that university, but they cannot avail that option. I mean, there should be in the use for the easy. There should be an option in, in the use for easy use and reliable use. Flexibility and efficiency of use. Yeah, difficult terminology for the new user as well as the information which may not be required by the user is updated on the website. Meaning they should use easy terminologies for the new user. Okay, aesthetic and minimalist design. A lot of unnecessary information is provided for the user, but basic information like email id, admission registration missing. They should recommendation is that they should keep basic information on priority. Like you can see here, they have shared a lot of publications information. Okay, I mean, I still far away for the BA student or AD. Help user recognize, diagnose, and recover. There's no option of online admission registration form for new users. So how can we recover from error or forgotten passwords, and no option of notification? I mean, they should keep basic information or priority for new users. Help and documentation. There is no option of online admission registration form or creating an account. They should keep basic information on priority for new users. Thank you so much and good luck. Thank you.